I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments on the Epic Games app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or insufficient balance can cause payment failures. Step 2. Update the Epic Games app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Epic Games app installed. Outdated apps can lead to compatibility issues with payment processing. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve temporary glitches. Go to your device settings, find the Epic Games app and select Clear Cache. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can disrupt the payment process. Make sure you have a reliable connection with a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 5. Contact Epic Games support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, payment issues can be frustrating, but following these steps should help you resolve them quickly. Good luck and happy gaming!